the inspiring story of Eswatini, tradition, resilience, and pride. Imagine a place where history whispers through every mountain and valley. Eswatini, Africa's hidden gem, boasts a legacy shaped by early Bantu settlers and the emergence of the Dlamini monarchy in the 18th century. This is more than a nation, it's a living story of pride and perseverance. Eswatini stood tall against the wave of colonialism, refusing to lose its identity. Through courage and resilience, this nation overcame immense challenges, achieving independence in 1968. Its journey is a powerful reminder, a triumph of unity and determination over oppression. Feel the heartbeat of Eswatini in its vibrant culture. From intricate traditional dances to royal ceremonies, every ritual celebrates the enduring Swazi spirit. Witness their timeless connection to the past while embracing the progress of modernity, a harmony that inspires the soul. Eswatini isn't just a destination, it's an awakening. Bask in its breathtaking landscapes, connect with warm-hearted locals, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture that defines this extraordinary kingdom. Eswatini offers not just adventure, but a deeper connection to history and humanity. Let Eswatini ignite your traveler's soul. Explore its rich heritage, majestic traditions, and the story of a resilient people who shape their destiny. Pack your bags and create unforgettable memories in the kingdom of Eswatini. Your adventure awaits. Don't just visit, experience the heart of Africa today.